Bo. Feel good. Let's unbox this very cute mini waffle maker. Right, Hope? Hope. Yes. Are you excited? What's inside? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, super duper cute! Super duper cute. Look. Look at that. It's super cute. It's super cute. Wait, baby. This is not a toy. This is Mommy's mini waffle maker. It's my baby's head. Look at that. It's heart shape. I'm going to make a lot of heart shape waffle this coming Valentine's Day. Do you want some waffle too? Do you want some waffle too? It's super cute. It's a 4 inches non-stick mini waffle maker. Super duper cute. It's not a toy, baby. It's not a toy. Mommy is excited to use this one. Bought it from Bed Bath and Beyond. Also comes with an instruction manual with recipe guide. Recipe guide. I so love this mini heart waffle maker.